Weight loss tips. If you are new, then please subscribe this channel for more weight loss tips like this. Tip 1. Just consume keto foods and ingredients. Keto food sources are food sources and fixings that are exceptionally low in carbs. What extremely low in carbs signifies precisely will rely upon your day-to-day carb limit. For instance, we suggest keeping absolute carbs beneath 35 grams and net carbs underneath 25 grams, in a perfect world, beneath 20 grams, with the goal that you can receive the rewards of eating profoundly satisfying food sources and ketosis. To sort out your net carb utilization, essentially take away all that fiber admission from absolute carbs. Tip 2. Track your routines and diets you are following. The Momentum Research information proposes that we will more often than not misjudge the number of calories we eat. On occasion, the contrast between assessed calorie consumption and genuine calorie admission is significant to such an extent that you might think you are eating considerably less than previously, yet you are as yet putting on weight. Tip 3. Change your food environment. Our ongoing food climate is in no way like what humanity at first advanced to deal with. It is more straightforward than any time in recent memory to put on weight, and our cerebrums and bodies are not intended to deal with our plentiful food climate. Tip 4. Prepare and follow a budget. Many individuals grumble that eating keto is excessively costly, yet this is essentially false. As a matter of fact, it is feasible to have an entire day's worth of keto suppers for under $8, counting breakfast, lunch, supper, a side dish, and sweet. We tell you the best way to do this in our shopping rundown and financial plan breakdown for multi-week of keto suppers. Notwithstanding, that gauge was determined without utilizing each of the techniques that you will track down in our article on the most proficient method to follow keto on a tight spending plan. By utilizing these ideas, you can diminish the expense of your dinners to around $1.50 per feast. Check the link in description for weight loss diets.